dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Emdadul, Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a higher mathematics class of class 9. Our today's topic is exercise 11.3, question 4, 5. These two questions I will solve in our today's class. Dear students, in the last class of this chapter, basic discussion is done, and depending on that basic discussion, I am going to solve these two questions. Dear students, I think this chapter is very easy and you can understand the solution of these two questions easily. Okay, dear students, so let us see what is the question 4. At first, I will solve question 4. If the points A 1 minus 1, B T2 and C T square T plus 3 are collinear, find the admissible value of T. It means that here 3 points are given, point A 1 minus 1, point B T2, point C T square T plus 3. These 3 points are given and the condition is these 3 points are collinear. Then what will be the value of T? We need to determine the value of T. Dear students, you know, if 3 points are collinear, it means that the line passing through these 3 points will have the same slope or the gradient. So, if we determine the slope of the line AB and slope of the line BC, then the slopes must be equal. The slopes are equal. So, using this condition, we can solve question 4. Okay, dear students. So, at first we have to determine the slope of the line AB and then we have to determine the slope of the line BC. And if we write the slope are equal, then from that condition we will get the value of T. Okay, dear students. So, I am writing solution, question 4, solution. Given 3 points A 1 minus 1, B T2 and C T square T plus 3 are collinear. These 3 points are collinear. These 3 points are collinear. So, we need to determine the value of T. Dear students, so at first we can determine the slope of AB, the slope of the line AB. How to determine the slope when 2 points are given? How to determine the slope? You know, that is the formula is y2 minus y1. y2 is here 2. Minus y1 means minus 1 by x2 minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. x2 means t minus x1 means 1. So, if we determine the slope, what will be here? 2 plus 1, that is t minus 1, that is equal to 3 by t minus 1. This is the slope of AB. Again, the slope of BC now. Here BC, it means that y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So, we can write here y2 means t plus 3 here. So, t plus 3 minus y1 means 2 and by x2 minus x1, it means that t square minus t. So if we calculate here, we will get here t plus 1, as here is plus 2 plus 3 minus 2, this will be t plus 1 and here will be t square minus 1. Okay dear students, so if you see here, slope of AB I have determined, slope of BC I have determined. As ABC 3 points are collinear, it means that ABC, these 3 points lie on the same straight line. It means that the slope of the line will be equal. So we can write, by t minus 1 equal to t plus 1 divided by t square. Now solve this equation to get the value here. If we do the cross multiplication, this will be 3t square minus 3. That is equal to t minus 1 into t plus 1 means t square minus 1. So we can write here 3t square minus 3 minus t square minus 1, that is equal to 0. Or we can write here, is there any t? Sorry dear students, I have done mistake here, as this is t, here will be t. This is t square minus t, so this will be also t square minus t. So here will be t square minus t, not only 1 here, that is t. So we have to write here t square minus t. If we do the cross multiplication, here will be the mistake, here will be 3t. If we do the cross multiplication, 3t square minus 3t. Now this is 1. T minus 1 into t plus 1, this is 1. So now corrected. So we can write here 1, and I have to calculate here, not t square here. That is, if we calculate, we will get minus 3t minus t square plus 1. There will be 0. I have taken all the terms in the left side. So we can write here 3t square minus 2t square, this will be 3t square positive minus t square here, so this will be 2t square minus 3t plus 1. If we, that is equal to 0. If we do the middle term now, so we can apply middle term here, it will be 2t square minus 2t minus t plus 1, that is equal to 0. Here is minus 2t and minus t means minus 3t. Product of minus 2 and minus 1 is plus 1. So middle term applied, 2t we can take as common, t minus 1 will left, minus 1 we can take as common, we will get here t minus 1. So there will be 0, it means that we can write here t minus 1 into 2t minus 1, that is equal to 0. Here product of 2 factor is 0. Product of 2 factor is 0. So we can say t minus 1 equal to 0 or 2t minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, t minus 1 equal to 0 or 2t minus 1 equal to 0. From this we can write or t equal to 1, and from this we can write or 2t equal to 1. Therefore, t equal to half if we divide both sides by 2. So required value of t is 1 and half. Therefore, the required value of t. Therefore, the required value of t are 1 and half. 1 and 1 by 2. 1 and 1 by 2. Or we can write 1 or 1. We can write here. Okay, dear students, so we have determined the value of t. So question 4 is solved. I hope you have understood the solution of question 4. Now I will solve question 5. Dear students, what is question 5? Question 5 is find the value of P. Find the value of P if the line joining the points A 3P and B 4P square plus 1. 4P square plus 1. Dear students, here is written find the value of P if the line joining the points A 3P and B 4P square plus 1 has slope minus 1. It means that if we determine the slope of the points, slope of the lines passing through AB, slope of the line passing through AB, it means the slope of the line AB. If we determine, that will be minus 1. So from that condition, we can determine the value of P. So we can write here solution. 5 solution. Given A is a point here, that is 3P, and B is another point, B, that is 4P square plus 1, 4P square plus 1, B 2 points, this B 2 points, the slope of AB, slope of the line AB. AB is the line here. So we can determine the slope. The formula is y2 minus y1. Here y2 is p square plus 1 minus y1 is 3p by x2 minus x1. Here x2 is 4 minus x1 is 3. So if we calculate, what will we get here? If we calculate, we will get here 1, and here we will get p square minus 3p plus 1. That is equal to p square minus 3p plus 1 if we divide by 1. Okay. Now, this is the slope of the line AB, and the line passing through point A and B has the slope minus 1. This is given. So from this condition, we can say p square minus 3p plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So we can write as the slope of the line joining A 3P and B, this is 4p square plus 1 is minus 1. Therefore, p square minus 3p plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now we can solve this equation. P square minus 3p minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. P square minus 3p plus 2, that is equal to 0. So we can apply the middle term again. So we can apply the middle term p square minus 2p minus p plus 2, that is equal to 0. So we can write here, we can take p as common, it will be p minus 2, and minus 1 we can take as common, p minus 2, that is equal to 0, or p minus 2 into p minus 1. Okay, dear students, so that is equal to 0. It means that p minus 2 equal to 0 or p minus 1 equal to 0. So we can write therefore p minus 2 equal to 0 or equal to 2, or p minus 1 equal to 0, or we can write therefore p equal to 1. P equal to 1. Therefore, the required value of p are 1 and 2. The value of p here 1 and 2. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question 5 also. Dear students, depending on today's class, a question is given for your homework. This is example 19 from page 276. Example 19 from page 276 of your higher math book. This is your homework 8. Do your homework properly and submit your homework timely. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.